Wave, Tiana. Ugh.
Hi guys, Tiana here, and today I've got some My Little Pony surprises. And I've got 3 My Little Pony pairs. Got Twilight Sparkle. Oops. And I've also got Rainbow Dash and Fluttershy. And I've also got 3 My Little Pony collections, and they light up just by the switch on their ponytail right there. And they're super cute. And they light up and they change different colours. I'm going to be opening the pairs first. And I've also got a My Little Pony Pinkie Pampered pony. And she talks with right hair on her forehead. You just press and then she'll start talking. And we've also got My Little Pony blind bags. Of course, My Little Pony blind bags. Yay! I love My Little Pony blind bags and My Little Pony toys. So let's start with the pezzes. And would you like, you can open Twilight Sparkle.
So this one's Twilight Sparkle, yeah?
I'm going to start with Rainbow Dash.
Okay. You got your scissors there? Hello Kitty!
These are my new favourite scissors. Because they're my favourite colour as well. Red. Red's my favourite colour.
There's your Pez candy. What did you say the name of this one is? Did you say Fluttershy?
She likes that. And she speaks really soft.
Okay.
And Pinkie Pie, I've done something similar to that. It was Barbie, done.
Oh yeah, you did, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I really like the bag because it's like all shiny in there. So, here are the 3 pezzes. I filled my ponies up with some Pez candy. So now it's time to taste some. So now let's get a Pez out of Fluttershy. And then we can taste it. Where is it? Ooh,
Pop.
here it is. So let's try it. I think that's lemon flavour. Tastes good. Put that out. And now Rainbow Dash. Rainbow Dash and Rarity are my 2 favourite characters. Let me know in the comments down below.
Oh, you just knocked
your
Rarity over. Poor pony.
There's Twilight.
Oh, it's Twilight. Did I just call her Rarity? I
Yes.
did. Okay.
I thought it said Rosie.
Rosie.
I think that is a pony's name anyway.
Okay.
So now let's try this one. This one, I'm not sure what flavour it is. Tastes different though.
Is it good?
And that's
I bet it's orange, isn't it? Yeah, that's going to be your orange Pez.
So now, Twilight. The only one that has the horn. But not in the whole ponies. Just out of these 3. Come on out, Pez.
You had your
come on.
fingers on the pears.
Yeah, but it won't come.
Ooh, pop.
Yay. I think that's another orange one, so let's try that anyway. Delicious! So now I'm going to show you the light up ponies. First I'm going to show you the pink one. And wow, that one is bright! And there's the back. And yes, it does change colours. And this one looks like a little bit like Pinkie Pie, but only it doesn't have the pink hair, well, mane and tail. So that one changes all different colours, just like the other ones do. I'll just leave that one on. And here's the yellow one that looks a little bit like Applejack. I'm thinking, who does this one look like? I think it looks a little bit like Rarity. A little.
Oh, they're so pretty, aren't they, Tiana?
Yeah, this one's more or less all yellow, apart from when it changes colours. Oh, was just yellow. So there's that one. And they're so cute as well. And this one, I think that this part here looks a bit like Rarity. But all their mains are yellow. So there's that one. And the switch just there. Oh, that colour's nice for this pony. So there's that one. So here are the 3 ponies together lighting up. And I've got a favourite pony, and I like the pink one because it's really bright when it lights up. And can you let me know in the comments down below which pony is your favourite, and Dad?
Mine's the yellow one. I like that one, it's really cute.
I don't like this one because it's pink, I like it because it's really bright.
Yeah.
But
Well, I think the yellow one's kind of the brightest.
I think the pink one's the brightest.
Do you? Yeah, they're really nice.
Look.
Yeah?
So let me know in the comments down below which one's your favourite and also which one do you think's the brightest. This one can sometimes be really bright, right there. Now it's time to open some blind bags. What do you think, Pinkie Pie? So let's get started. And there's 5 blind bags. And that's basically, I think that's all that Pinkie Pie says. Because I've not heard her say anything different. Pony number 1 is called Sunny Rays.
Sunny Rays, yeah?
Yeah, you can just check if it is. That one's a wing pony.
Okay, pony number 2.
Got a lot of blind bags. I've even got some see-through glittery ones as well. Who's this? Ooh! Sunset Rainbow.
Yeah?
That's similar to that one's name. And this one's cute to mark like a holiday because it's got a palm tree and then a lake and then a rainbow. I like that one a lot.
Yeah.
And she loves the beach. Because they all have like a personality sort of a thing. So what does that one love? It says it at the bottom. Oh right, she has bright ideas. So that probably means that she's just clever. Ooh, this one's Trixie. I think so. I'll just check. Yeah, more or less Trixie. And she shares magic tricks.
Okay.
2 more blind bags to go. And those 2 I think are doubles. But that one's next. Her skin's peachy. It's like a peach colour. Oh, I think I just got this one again. Yes, I did. No, I don't have to stand that one up. And yeah, same thing, same one. So now for the last My Little Pony blind bag, and I love the blind bags. So Rainbow Dash. Yes, I got Rainbow Dash. And this one's got glitter. And that's the first ever one I opened. But I don't think it's on video, I can't remember. So here's Trixie and Rainbow Dash. And Rainbow Dash, she helps her friends because I didn't mention that, and she's glittery. And this one is, Sunny Rays. And then that one is Sunset. That one, Sunset Rainbow. And this one on the checklist, she's on it, but it's a different pony, but the same name. And then that's Sunny Rays again. Now it's time to have some fun with Pampered Pinkie Pie, yay! So here is the Pampered Pinkie Pie, and it doesn't look like she's out of the box, but because you want it in a box, you just took all the plastic bits off. But anyway, there she is, and this is like a thing that tells you what hairstyle you can do, because you can like style her hair, because yeah, you can just style her hair, but not things like plaits and things like
this.
And we're going to be having a go at some of those, and I think my dad is as well.
Oh, am I? Yeah?
If you want to.
Right, okay. So what she look like out of the bag then?
Oh, her cutie mark. Oh, she's got a cutie mark on both sides. And there's a bag. She normally doesn't have, oh, it goes this way because she has like the badge here.
Okay, so let's look at Pinkie Pie then.
I'm actually shocked that she has 2 cutie marks. They're meant to have 1. Look at her hair right now. And each hairstyle has the names, but the one that says the classic is the normal Pinkie Pie.
So which one are you going to try and do then?
I want to try and do this curl one.
Really? Okay. So Tiana's going to have a go at doing this style. And that's called the tight roll, yeah? The tight roll.
It's called the beehive.
Alright then, so you ready to try and do the style then, the tight roll?
I'll try it.
Go!
I won't be able to do it, but...
Go, 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 go! Then I'll go for you. We can't see if you're doing it. Okay, now we can. Alright, so that's the back.
And then this bit.
Ah. Yes.
This one.
So it's just 3, well, how many kills? 3 kills?
Yes, but
that's
you
good.
have to put them in a particular pose though.
Okay. Wow.
So that's what I made her look like.
Okay, so let's have a look at the picture then.
There.
To the bottom right hand corner.
Did you say it looks lovely?
So what do you think, guys? Let's go again.
I just think this bit's not, it doesn't look like it.
Right, so that's Tiana's go. Right.
You think it looks like
Yeah, I think you've done a good job, but we'll let the people decide in the comments who's best at designing Pinkie's hair, me or you.
Okay, let me undo it so
you undo it.
First.
Let me choose my design. Okay. I'm going to try and do... I think I'll try the beehive.
Let me see the beehive.
The beehive. Whoa. The beehive is there. Because that looks a hard one.
Yes, it looks like a hard one.
Beehive.
Pinkie Pie style.
Pinkie Pie style.
Yeah. Woo.
Okay, so let me try the beehive.
I'll
have to look at that so I can...
Yep, you look at that.
Alright. So let me think where to start.
Put hers in the L. I started at this bit.
Okay, here we go. Right, beehive, go.
Playing with you tickles me.
Okay, that's the top. And then, okay.
Best day ever.
So, what do you think, guys? Old Pinkie. So there's the beehive.
And there's the other side.
So let me know in the comments down below which one was better, mine or Tiana's. What do you think, Tiana? It's tricky, isn't it?
This bit looks more thicker than this.
Oh no. Well, there you go.
Dad, can I have some Pinkie Pie juice, please?
Pinkie Pie juice?
Yes.
Coming up.
Ooh. Are you sure that's juice?
Yes, look, definitely. It's got a My Little Pony jug there, so it's Pinkie Pie juice. That's what he asked for.
It looks like Pinkie Pie poop. Come on then, where is it? Or I'll get a refund.
It's definitely there, look, it's coming out.
I'll take this and this then.
There's your juice. There you go, that's what you asked for.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Need
There
to
you
drink it.
go.
Oh, this is quite heavy. Oh, I think I might need a spoon. Tastes like poop. Refund now! Guys, watch this side.
That is freaky slime. It's just dropping.
Hi.
Your eyes have popped back through now.
Ew.
Let me have a pull from that end. You have that end. Oh.
Ooh. They almost got all the ponies. Look, there's still a big piece.
Wow.
But it opens happening, maybe.
It is. It's like see-through. I can just see you through that slime.
I can just see you.
Oh, that is just freaky. Look.
What's your favourite thing we've opened today, Dad?
Well, I do like the yellow light-up pony.
I like this.
Oh yeah, that's fun though as well. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah.
But you might just be able to do that, so I'm not sure.
Well, don't forget they're going to comment to see who styled the pony better, me or you. I'm looking forward to that. Oh, wow.
There's like little big lumps in it.
That is just freaky. I can just see it now. Wave, Tiana. Oh,
look at that bubble.
Bubble.
Bubble. Well, it's not that though. And okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.
You're my very best friend.
Well, she's going to be your best friend now because you've been doing her hair all day.
Huh? You're not said that.
See you guguys.
Always
Bye.
true to yourself and your friends.
She's not said that either. That's good. Oh, close to me.
Okay.
Close to you.
Hiya!